Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to infuse oregano oil. Start by choosing fresh oregano and a neutral carrier oil like olive or jojoba. I will walk you through trimming, bruising, and layering herbs in a sterilized jar, then cover cold and warm infusion methods. I will explain timing, storage, and simple uses so you feel confident making and using oregano oil safely at home. Cold infusion uses time instead of heat to gently extract oregano compounds into your carrier oil. After prepping the herbs, fully submerge them and store the sealed jar in a sunny, warm spot for several weeks, shaking gently every few days. This method preserves delicate aromatics, reduces bitterness, and yields a smooth oil ideal for topical and culinary uses, with minimal equipment and low risk of overheating the herb. If you are finding this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more natural remedy tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps your hands free and your water cold while you prep herbs, plus it has a leak-proof lid and convenient carry handle. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one, and now let's get back to the video. Warm infusion speeds things up by gently heating the oil with oregano to release stronger flavors and compounds. Use a double boiler or slow cooker set low and monitor the temperature closely to keep it below 140 degrees F so you don't break down delicate oils. Heat for a few hours, then cool, strain well, and decant into dark bottles for storage. This yields a robust, ready-to-use oregano oil more quickly than cold infusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.